Alrighty, everyone. In example 2, we'll be finding the lateral surface area and the total surface area of the pyramid shown below. So let's start off by naming this figure. So I see I've got a square base, and I see that the faces all meet at one point on the top. So this is going to be a square pyramid. Okay, let's start off by finding the lateral surface area. So I'm going to do some work here. I'm going to call this LSA, and all the work that I do for lateral surface area is going to be in green. Okay, so to find the lateral surface area, I need to find the area of all of the faces. So I've got 4, and it looks like all of the faces here are triangles, and there's going to be 4 of them. So 4 times the area of those 4 triangles. So 4 times the area of those 4 triangles. That's what that notation means that I'm writing there. Okay. The next thing I want to do is I know that to find the area of a triangle, it's going to be 1/2 times our base times our height. And just by looking, all of these triangles have a base of 80. So I know what my base is. So it's 4 times 1/2 times 80 times our height. And I don't know what my height is. This height right here, this is going to be the height of the pyramid, and that'll come in handy when we're calculating volume. But for right now, I need the area of the triangles, which means I actually need the height of the dotted line that I'm drawing here, because that's the height of the face of the triangle. Okay, so I've drawn that in. Now what I can do is I can connect this part right here, and I've got a right triangle shown. And I know one of the sides of my right triangle, that's going to be 9. So I'm going to redraw that blue triangle I've just highlighted out here. So this is going to be 9. That's the height of the whole pyramid. Now, to figure out what this bottom length is, well, that's actually going to be 40, because this height falls directly in the middle of the whole figure. So that means that this part is 40 and this part is 40. So now that I've got this set up, I've got enough information to use Pythagorean theorem so that we can find our height of the triangle. And I'm going to label this H. Because that's what we're looking for. We're looking for H. So we're going to do 9 squared plus 40 squared equals H squared. And you guys can do Pythagorean theorem on your own to figure out what H is. I'm going to give you guys a moment to do that. Okay, welcome back. This is your time right now. If you haven't solved for H, pause the video, solve for H, because I'm about to reveal the answer in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the height of that triangle, or H, is going to be 41. Okay, so that means 9, 40, and 41 is also a Pythagorean triple, which is good to know. So I can replace the H in this formula with the number 41. And now I've got everything filled in. So I'm just going to go ahead and figure out what the area of one of those triangles is. So let's see, I'm going to do 80 times 41. And so I need to take half of 3,280 because that's what 80 times 41 is. So take half of that, and that's going to be 1,640. So this part right here, 1,640, this is the area of one triangle. One triangle that I've just outlined in red here. But there's 4 of them. So now I need to multiply 1,640 by 4. And that's going to be 6,560 centimeters cubed. So the lateral surface area of this pyramid is 6,560. Now to find the total surface area, I need to do lateral surface area plus the area of the base. And since the base is a square, it's a square with dimensions 80 by 80. So I need to do 6,560 plus let's see, 80 times 80. So 80 times 80 is going to give us 6,400. And then I just add those two numbers together for a grand total of 12,960. So that's my total surface area, centimeters squared. Don't forget your units at the end, guys. All right, go ahead and try example 3 on your own.